Hey guys, Jackie, it's Jackie, I'm Jackie. I don't know what that was. Oh, today's video is another Colormates Dollar Tree makeup, Dollar Tree Colormates tutorial video using the Island Oasis. That is the gray and blue palette. So yeah, we made this look, and by we, I mean we all, anybody who followed along, we did it. So yeah, if you like beauty related videos, hauls, tutorials, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and next to that there's a little bell. Ring the bell and you will become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, and YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. Okay, so I don't know. I'm kind of amazed that this is only $1. So yeah, you'll see just how this little baby works right now. So I have received a request for me to do a look using the more blue and silver Colormates. So that one is the Island Oasis, in case you're wondering which one that is. So as soon as I get it open, here we go again. Okay, got it open now. Oh, lighting. I always dump out the little applicator because let's face it, I'm not gonna use it. But yeah, okay, figure this out. I don't use the applicators, like the sponge applicators, but I hoard them in my drawer. I don't know why. I don't throw them away. No, I put them in there. Maybe I'll use it for something else. I don't know. But first we need to prime our eyes. I'm sure you guys saw that coming. I just realized this is going to be going up on Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas Eve. Yeah. So tell me, does it snow where you are? Is it cold where you are? Tell me, because it is snowing here and like 8 degrees. And my hot water is frozen right now. Not exactly sure why, because it's hot water, but I'm gonna work on that after and see if I can get it flowing again. Okay, so, but first, we're gonna make this video. So I'm gonna start with this brown shade, bronzy brown, and that is going to be my transition. So, do you live somewhere where it is warm? Does it snow? Do you have palm trees? I live, you know, up in the north. I live in New York, and it snows, and we have pine trees, not palm trees. It's something. I don't mind it when it's, you know, not snowing. I just don't. I know. I don't like the snow. Which, yes, I choose to live here, so I should be used to it, but I'm just, I hate it every year. But, like, I rather deal with snow than hurricanes or earthquakes or giant spiders and snakes and bugs, and yeah, that's not my thing. I'll take the snow. Tornadoes, oh my goodness. Ugh. Yeah, I'll deal with snow, thanks. That's why I choose to stay here. That and, well, it costs money to move. But anyways, so yeah. Oh, what's the next color we want to use? Let me get another brush. I'm gonna go in the crease with this reddish color up here. Don't worry, we'll be breaking into those blues in a minute. We're gonna do a red and blue type of thing. A reddish blue, maroon and blue, I don't know. We're gonna do something. So yes, Christmas, Christmas. I am ready for this year to be over. I want on to a new year, new things, new things. New year, new things, new things. I love that I'm getting more requests to use like $1 makeup palettes, like eye palettes, rather than the like, what was it, like $40-something like conspiracy palette. Like, that's amazing. It just goes to show, you know, people want to know how to do looks with affordable makeup. They don't care as much about all that expensive high-end makeup, you know. That stuff's expensive. All right, so in the outer corner, I'm going to do, what am I gonna do? This could get very interesting. I think I'm going to, in the like, ooh, this is gonna be fun. Okay. In the very, very like outer corner, I'm gonna go in with this darker red. Just a little right in here. I'm going to transition this from red to blue. So we're going to start with that darker red in the outer, just a little bit. So just like that. And then I'm going to go into this dark blue right here, and I'm going to put that right here next to that red. Just like so. Pigment on this specific one is like really good. I think I'm going to go back into that red just a little to kind of do a little bit of blending into that blue, not too much though. Okay, and now I'm going to go into this blue. So irritating. If I get it close enough. It's a really light blue up there. Oh, Lord. I need to get a good camera. I think I need a camera. iPhone's great, but I need to upgrade. I'm gonna go in on my finger. And wow. Yeah, the pigment in this specific palette is really good. Really, really good. Oh yeah. Okay, I need a wipe as usual. I didn't get one out. That's just, it's what I do. It's what I do. Boo, boo, boo. It's what I do. You know what? I think I'm going to go in a little bit with this blue right here, and I'm just going to tap it right between the light blue and the dark blue to kind of give it a little more of like a gradient type of situation. Just a little bit. kind of help that fade into that dark blue without it being such a stark, like light dark, you know what I mean? Just like that. And then go back in a little with this, the light blue, and just kind of back and forth, blend together. You see how it's more of like a gradient now? Yes, I like it. Okay. Yes, look at that. Okay, so isn't that better than the stark, like, light blue, dark blue? You know what I'm saying? I hope you do. I hope you do. So now it's more of a gradient, and it's beautiful. And now we need to go in with the transition brush. No, the crease brush. Don't listen to me, it's the crease brush. Okay. Go back in with that red crease shade and redefine that crease because it's looking a little blue now. Then transition brush and blend the edges. Yes, I love it. Okay, now I'm going to add the liner, which is the e.l.f. liquid liner that I always use because it's the only liquid liner I have. Yay! Okay, now I need to curl my lashes because I'm not putting on falsies because, well, trying to use falsies less and less. I mean, some looks are just, you know, I mean, if you don't put on falsies, it doesn't look as balanced, I guess you could say. But, ow. My sock is stuck under my leg. I just love it when my foot goes numb. It's great. Alright, let's curl these bad boys. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Waterproof Volume and Length Mascara. This mascara doesn't do my lashes any favors, but, yeah, everybody knows it's Christmas time and children come before yourselves, so hopefully after Christmas I'll be able to pick up a few things like a different mascara and who knows what else. But for right now, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Okay, so there is that. Now I am going to put the rest of my face on and I will be back so we can finish the bottom lash line. So stay tuned because I'm coming back. We are back. Oh, face is done. Everything that I used will always be linked in the description box in case you are wondering. So let's finish these eyes. I'm thinking we do kind of the same thing on the bottom with do the red on the outside, the blues. That's what I'm thinking. We're gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna take that darker red that we used in the outer corner and just put that in the outer corner on the bottom. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, now this is the fun part because why? I don't know. I'm gonna take this. No, are we though? Ooh. Boo. No, we're going to take the brush we used with the dark blue and we're going to go into the dark blue and we're going to put that next to the red. Might have to go back into the red a little bit to kind of blend those two together. Yeah, back into the red a little. to make sure that blue hasn't taken over. We don't want it to take over. We just want it there. Okay, and then we're gonna take the very tip of our finger and put that second darkest blue right next to that. Like so. And then I'm gonna take my pinky finger and go into that light blue and put that right there. See where I put that right next to the other blue? I have tiny fingers, so if this doesn't work for you, using your fingers for this, you can use small brushes. Like that. Okay, then I'm gonna take that transition shade brush and just right underneath, just lightly buff it out in case it went down a little far. And then I'm gonna take a small brush. Why can I never find a brush? Okay, I'm gonna use this little itty bitty brush. Can you see that? Little tiny brush. And I'm actually gonna go into this white, and I'm gonna use that on the inner corner and brow bone. I feel like this is a red, white, and blue look now that I'm thinking about it, but I think it's pretty. I like it. All right, mascara for the bottom. Same mascara I used on the top. And this, everyone, is it. That is the final look using the Island Oasis Colormates palette from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps me out. And yeah, I hope you will tune in for more videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.